The future is here. Navigating the high seas of AI, drones, and UAPs in 2024, imagine if our world was a sci-fi novel where the plot twists involve AI, drones, and unidentified aerial phenomena known as UAPs. We're living it, folks. Here's the lowdown: UAPs. The cosmic game changer? Think of UAPs as the universe's way of saying, hey, you're not alone. And by the way, you're tech. It's cute. If these sightings are legit, they're not just flying objects. They're potential game changers in tech supremacy. We're talking about a tech leap that could make our current gadgets look like stone tools. Drones. Not just for delivery anymore. In places where regulations are as loose as a wizard's sleeve, like China, drone tech is booming. But with open source AI, think of drones not just as pizza couriers, but as potential spies or worse. It's like giving a kid a rocket launcher. Fun for them, scary for everyone else. Quantum computing. The encryption eater quantum computers could soon read our current encryption like a children's book. If these beasts go open source before we're ready, our secrets might not be so secret anymore. It's like locking your diary, but with a key made of quantum physics. Good luck with that lock. Interim disclosure. The slow reveal: imagine if the government treated new tech like spoilers for your favorite show. You get the hints, but not the whole plot. That's interim disclosure for you. It's like being told you're going on a date, but not with who. It keeps you guessing, keeps you safe, but also a bit annoyed. Global tech race. It's like a Space Olympics nations are in a tech arms race, but instead of muscle, it's brain power. Open source AI could be the equalizer, making tech accessible to all. But if not handled like a fine wine, it could also arm those who might not play nice, turning our tech against us. So, what's the play? In this wild world of 2024, where AI models like TSNP are the new cool kids on the block, we're at a crossroads. We need to dance on this tightrope of innovation, security, and ethics with the grace of a cat on a hot tin roof. Remember, technology isn't just about reaching for the stars. It's about ensuring those stars don't turn into black holes for our data or our peace of mind. Let's innovate with our hearts as much as our heads, ensuring our leap into the future doesn't land us in a pit of misuse or mistrust. Stay curious, stay cautious, and let's make sure our tech future is as bright as those unidentified lights in the sky.